I'm calling all small YouTube creators. This is not a tutorial. This is just me having an opinion. How many hours have you spent watching YouTube tutorials about how to get more views and/or subscribers? How many hours? But then only to watch your videos get 20 views after following the experts. Just remember, the experts get their growth from you wanting to grow your channel. YouTube doesn't care if you fail. There's millions of creators out there wanting the same thing, monetization, I suppose. YouTube places ads on the back of your videos anyway, so they don't lose. The experts give some good basic advice, but ultimately it's down to you and your content. What I'm saying is it's time to change and to be yourself, rather than doing what you're told or what you think's going to be okay and all that. Just be yourself. I'm on your side. I'm a small channel. I've been on YouTube for 2 years, and I'm not monetized. Put a lot of videos out. Maybe it's my poor content. I'm not sure, but I want to keep trying. I've followed a lot of tutorials, thinking to myself that I'm doing the right thing. That's a big mistake. When you create your next video, remember you're trying to get your message out to the whole world. People are fascinated by watching other people in their situations and having opinions and creating interest in what they're doing or saying. That's basically it. It's a human condition. Remember, YouTube is a search engine. Make your content searchable but real. Take a moment to look at some of the most successful creators on YouTube. Most of them are just being themselves, and it attracts interest from viewers. So give this message a thought and keep it real. I'm with you. I'm not an expert, but I hope I can motivate you enough to keep pushing and experimenting, but above all, staying positive. Anyway, good luck guys, and let's keep it real.